What if I told you that you could spend 2 years at Reboot and land your first job afterwards earning 1,000 BD plus a month? The idea behind Reboot is really to address the skills shortage in digital and tech, but in a way that can be done at scale. I think when companies in IT, whether they're fintechs or other tech companies, or even they could be manufacturing companies that need automation skills, there's an issue where there's a lot of outsourcing outside the country. So in order to bridge the gap in a quicker way, we can have full-stack developers coming into the market in enough numbers whereby we can, some of those jobs can be kept in Bahrain.
At Reboot, everything is designed to be fun from start to finish. So our application is actually a game. And then afterwards, you enter our selection pool. During our selection pool, you get exposed to so much amazing information that is really going to transform the way you look at coding. And it builds your foundation into going into the program. So in our selection pool, you will have an exposure to a very specific language. So you're actually going to learn how to code with specific languages, and you're going to get a taste of what the whole program is like. And our entire program is completely gamified. So what does that mean? It means that we have scoreboards. It means that when you're doing your projects, when you're completing projects, it's as if you are in a live virtual game.
At Reboot, the students is going to work on different projects that will teach them and tutor them how to work on different technologies that we use in their career afterwards. This project will cover things like REST APIs, GraphQL, make their own frameworks, and also learning to use any existing JavaScript framework, for instance. Besides that, the students work on different languages such as Rust, such as Golang as well. And while working on those languages, the students work on different projects like making a small game, like a video game, like on mobile, as well as video game on the web. So the students will be able to work on a plethora of projects.
We've built a campus that we hope that students will want to come and stay and not want to leave. We're open from morning till late night and 24 hours if we need to be. Tech is a fantastic, exciting, collaborative, working in teams, and our curriculum is gamified, and people can come and spend time and dedicate their time, because this is their future, this is their career, and open up their passion for their future career in IT and tech.
One of the things that I would love for people to know is, number one is about Bahrain. Based on my experience and in the many different places that I've worked, Bahrain is very well known for having very ambitious, very hardworking, very creative, and very smart, talented individuals. And that's why it's starting to become a technology hub now. And what we want to do with Reboot is to give Bahrainis the tools to actually become full-stack developers. Why do we have to outsource talent when it comes to tech when we have such a rich pool over here of people who are very hardworking, they're talented, they're creative, they're smart, they know how to speak in different languages, they can do so much, and all we need right now is to just give people the tools to create their life.
You could go to university and spend 4 or 5 years and enter your first job at 500, 550 BD a month. But to come and do a 2-year program and your starting salary we expect to be around 1,000 BD minimum, that's very impactful to the students' lives. and their family lives. How long will it take you to get to 1,000 plus BD salary? At Reboot, going through the Reboot program, you're literally buying time. You're saving time, you're going through our 2-year program, and your starting salary as a full stack developer is going to be 1,000 plus BD.
Fun part of our project, not just the project themselves, but also the other side activities that the students will take a part of, such as hackathons, where the students will challenge themselves to make the best idea, and they can be transferred into an elevator pitch where they can promote as well as showcase the project to the public. Moreover, the students also going to showcase the project to potential investors, so we can have our own version of Shark Tanks here, where the students can promote their code and their projects that may turn into an actual product in the future. Besides that, all of this, the students will also take a part of side activities like game nights, as well as movie night here at Reboot, as well as field trips if possible, to learn and get more exposure to the industry that we are around us everywhere. You can learn code everywhere else. However, no one can teach you coding and software development the way that we do here. Also, if you want to be the next avid game developer or next veteran cryptocurrency developer, join Reboot, because this is the place to learn how to code.
01 schools have a history of having 100% employability for their graduates because of all the skills and the training that they get from this program. And this is what we're actually aiming to achieve here at Reboot in Bahrain. And we have actually begun our partnerships with multiple hiring partners. And we're growing some more because it is one of our core missions is to actually get people into the right jobs and positions that it's not only about jobs, but it's also about getting the right type of job and the job that pays you well. So what I would say is don't wait. The opportunity is there. It's just time for you to seize it right now. So apply now.
You don't have to take our word for it. Call a bank. Tell them you're a Bahraini full stack developer and see how quickly you get an interview.
To know more about us, visit our website and take the challenge.